హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ SRMyHappySpace. ఎవరైనా నా ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నారా అయితే అక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఆ పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేస్తే మీకు ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడు నేను ఏదైతే కొత్త వీడియో పెడతానో మీ వరకు వస్తుంది.
That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. You're my boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith. I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith, so take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith, so take a chance. Take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith, so take a chance. Take a chance on faith. I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say.